Hello everyone, welcome. Today we will learn how to use Microsoft Access version 2016. There are 4 major tasks to be solved, which are the first one, encrypt a database by using a database password, create a navigation form, display a message box prior to deleting any existing record in the table using macro, and the last one, create a search button for searching record about particular customer based upon certain keyword input by user using macro. So we move to the first task, how to encrypt a database using a password. Okay, now you go to your database and then click your database. As you see, once you enter your database, you don't have to key in any password. So in order to secure your database, you go to the file and then close your database first. Click file again, click open, and then browse your database just now. Okay, this is our database. Then you need to change the setting from open to open exclusive. Okay, you already changed the setting. Go to the file again. And then now you can click the encrypt with password. Now it says set database password, so you have to put any password that you want. Okay, now I key in my password. And then click OK. Okay, just click OK for this, and then you automatically already set your database password. So let's see how it works. Go to the file again, and then click close, and then go to the file again, and then open your database, and this is our database just now. See, now you have to key in the password as you already changed the setting just now. Now I key in my password, and then I click OK. Okay, so the first task has done. Now we move to the second and third task, which is how to open and decrypt a database, how to remove a password from a database. So you go to the file again, and then you close your database. Go to the file again, and then click open, browse, and click your database. And you need to change the setting from open to open exclusive again. And then you have to key in your password. Key in my password, click OK. And then you go to the file. Now you can click the Decrypt database as you already changed the setting. Click it. Now it says unset database password. Now you can unset the database password. Just key in the password. I click OK. And then you automatically already unset or remove the password. Then you can go to the file again, close your database, and then we will check whether it works or no. And then click open, and then this is the latest database that we already changed the setting, and then click it. You see, now you just can enter the database without keying any password. Okay, now we move to our second task to create a navigation form. We go to our database, click create, click navigation. As you can see here, there are many types or styles of navigation form. You can choose any. I choose vertical tabs left. For your information, navigation form is actually important for us to simplify the whole information in our database simply in just one page. So, how to add a form or report to a navigation form? Just double click at the add new. For example, I want to add here customer profile form, so I type customer form. Click here first, and then click again because I want to see the whole thing, so I need to drag this here. And then make sure you click customer form first. Go to the design, click it, click property sheet, and then click data, and change navigation target name to the customer profile form. As you can see now, the customer profile form is automatically been transferred to the navigation form. The same thing also happens if you want to put the customer report at the navigation form. Just double click at the add new, and then I type customer report. Okay, click here, click customer report again, and then you go to the property sheet for the customer report, navigation button 9, and then go to the data, and then change navigation target name to the customer full context report. Then you can see the customer full context report is automatically been transferred to the navigation form. So let's see how this works. Go to the form view at the bottom, click it. See, if you click customer form, you get customer profile form. If you click at the customer report, you get the customer full context report. And we go back to our design view again. How to edit the label at the top of the navigation form? Just go at the navigation form, just click here and then select the whole thing, and then for example I want to change here to the main page of system. I type main page of system. Now the navigation form label is changed. How to edit the form caption? You go to the property sheet, which is located at the design. You click here, form. You go to all, and then you see the caption form here. You change the caption to any appropriate or suitable caption that you want to use. Okay. For example, I use navigation. Now our caption label is changed. Next, how to apply an office theme to a database. You just go to the design, click it. You see the theme, click it. As you can see, there are many available office themes here. You can choose any. They are already set first. Okay, for example, I choose this one. Now the whole settings is changed. However, if you want to change the settings separately according to what you want, you can click at the color. There are many types of color. The same thing also happens for fonts. You can choose any here. How to change the color or shape of a navigation button? Just click at the customer form here. However, we have to save first according to the changes that we have made just now. Okay, this is our navigation button. Just click it and then you go to the format. You see the quick style, you click it. If you want to choose the styles that has been set first, just click any here. For example, I choose the black color. You see the colors change. If you want to change the shape, just click at the change shape, click it, and the shape is changed. However, if you want to change the settings separately according to what you want, you can choose the shape fill here, shape outline here, shape effects here. And for your information, you also can make changes to the navigation button at the property sheet. For example, I click at the customer report navigation button. You go to all. As you can see on the right side, there are many changes that you can make here. For example, the font color. Okay, you can choose whether text dark, or if you want to choose the back style, transparent, or whatsoever. And then how to set the navigation form as the default display button. Just go to the file, click it, and then click option, and then click current database. As you can see, the display form is currently none. You change it to our navigation form that we just added just now, navigation. And then we click the navigation, unclick the navigation display navigation pane, so that when you open your database, it is just our navigation form only display, and then click OK. In order to see our changes, whether it works or not, we have to close our database first. Go to File and then Close, and then go to File again and then Open. And this is our latest database that we made changes just now. Click it. As you can see now, the navigation form, which is our main page of system, is automatically displayed once we open our database. We move to our third task, display a message box prior to deleting any existing record in the tab by using macro. We go to our database, and then you can click to any forms or reports that you want to delete the data inside it. I choose customer profile form, double click it, and then go to the design view, and then click design, click command button, scroll this down, put my command button here, click record operations, click delete record, click next, click text, click next, and then use any meaningful name that you want. I use delete record, click finish, and then you go to the design and click property sheet, and then click event, and you can see the on click here. You click here, and then you scroll down, click add new action. We will add the message box action. I will put here, you have successfully deleted the data. So beep yes, none. I will put this kind of information, and then I save it and close. So we go to the form view again. For example, I want to delete the customer profile, this one. So I click command button delete record. And then, are you sure you want to delete these records? I say yes, and then you have successfully deleted the data. See, the message box appear once you have deleted the data. We move to our last task, create a search button for searching record about particular customer based upon certain keyword input by user using macro. We go to our database. You can choose any forms or report. I'm going to choose main page navigation form. Double click it. As you can see here, I already did one search text box button for the customer ID. Now I'll make a new one to show you guys how to do it and how it works. We go to the design via the bottom and then click it. Click design. Click text box. We're going to move here a little bit so that I can see the whole thing. We're going to place our text box here. This is the label of our text box. I'm going to name the label of our text box as enter the customer name here because we're going to put the customer name inside our text box. Then click our text box. At the property sheet, you click all. Change the name of the text box as search name. You can put any appropriate or suitable name. Okay. And then go to the design. Click command button. Place our command button here. Cancel. Change the caption of our command button at the property sheet. At all also. Okay, we're going to delete this one. I'm going to name it as find. Or you can directly change it here also. Then click our command button again. Go to the property sheet. Go to the event. You see on click here. You click here. Choose builder. Choose macro builder. Click OK. Click here. Click go to control. We're going to find customer name. So we type customer name. Okay, we choose this one because already exists there. Add new action. Find record. We're going to find the search name, which is the name of our text box. Match whole field. Match case. We're going to change the search as down. Search as formatted, no. Only current field, yes. Find first, to, no. And then save, and then close it. We're going to see how it works. So we have to go to the form view, click it at the bottom here. I'm going to find the customer data for the customer name Jaden Smith. Okay, I'm going to type Jaden Smith. Click find. Now we go to the customer name Jaden Smith data. You can put other customer name at the text box here, and then you will go to that customer data.